All right, good morning, second grade students. Today for language arts, we are going to be talking about forming and using compound words. All right, so first off, we need to know what is a compound word. So a compound word is two small words that can be put together to form a new word. So this new word is called a compound word. And the new word has an entirely different meaning from the two words when they are separate. All right, so let's work on putting some words together. So first up, we have the word basket, and we have a picture here of a basket. And then we have the word ball. Now, ball can mean a lot of different things. Here I just use like a dodgeball. But sometimes if we think of a ball, we can think of like a basketball or a volleyball or a soccer ball or a golf ball. There's many different things that we can think of with ball. But for right now, we're just going to focus on the word basket and the word ball. Now, when we put these together, we get the word basketball. Now, together, we are talking about a specific ball, which is a basketball. And we see that when we put these words together, it has a whole new meaning than the two words separated. So let's look at another example of that. So we have the word tooth. So we're talking about one tooth that we have in our mouth, and paste. Now, one thing that we can talk about with paste is glue. Another word for glue could be paste. Now, when we put the word tooth and paste together, we get toothpaste. Again, something that is totally different from what we had before as the two words separate, although we do use toothpaste on our teeth. All right, next up we have bed plus room. So we have a picture of a bed, and then room can mean many different things. So a room could be a living room, it could be a kitchen. So when we put the word bed and room together, we get a bedroom, which is where we do find a bed. But again, it does change the meaning from the two words that we had before when they were separate. All right, so when you put the two words together, they form a different meaning. So let's look at two examples of that. So first off, we have fire, which would be like a flame. And then we have the word fly, which is a type of insect. Now, when we put firefly together, we are talking about an insect which carries light with it, as we see here in the picture. And then our last example is we have the word book, which is reading material. And then we have the word store, which is a place where you can buy things. But when we put the two words together, book and store, we get bookstore, which is a store that sells books. So here are just some examples of compound words and how a compound word changes the meaning from the two words being separate of each other. So that is our language arts lesson for today.